Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 22nd of November. And first of all, national news. Assam Chief Minister unveiled the facilities at Legislative Complex. Rajnath Singh met US Secretary of Defense on sidelines of 11th Asian Meet. ISRO, Australian Space Agency signed agreement for space cooperation. Delhi tops polluted city list as air quality crisis persists in North India. Indian Army Chief bestowed with rank of Honorary General of Nepalese Army. Assam Chief Minister unveiled the newly developed facilities within the State Legislative Assembly complex. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister praised Israel's technical excellence for Pazer attack. India blocked 17,000 WhatsApp accounts of hackers from Southeast Asia. Karnataka's Nandini Dairy brand entered Delhi NCR with prices lower than competitors. Now, international news. Russia launched ICBM at Ukraine in stern message to Kyiv Western allies. George Strait received Lifetime Achievement Award, his net worth skyrocketed. An arrest warrant has been issued against Israeli PM and his defense minister. Now, some sports news. India to hand two debuts, major change at number 3 versus Australia report made big claim. Zofra Archer to make late entry into IPL 2025 mega auction. BCCI secretary is likely to meet ICC officials and speak to Pakistan Cricket Board chief Mohsin Naqvi. Business related news. Goldman expected Indian companies to post 13 to 16% earnings growth over 2025. Indian stocks to stay flat for 3 months, Nifty to hit 24,000, Goldman Sachs. Average home price in top 7 Indian cities reached 1.23 crore, 23% jump. And that's all in news. Thank you.